Hi, this is a question on geometry. Came up in CAT previously. Also involves some amount of quadratic equation. Let's see what this says. Neeraj has to mow a lawn which is 20 cross 40. So it is 20 cross 40. He moves the 1 meter wide strip. If Neeraj starts from one corner, moves around the round towards the center, how many times should he go before he has mowed half the lawn? So he'll go like this. Then he will start from here and so on. He'll mow like this. Now each time he mows a strip of 1 meter. So first round he will reduce each dimension by 2 units. 1 meter, so 1 meter here, 1 meter here. Second time he'll again go by 2 meters and so on. You need to find how many times will he have mowed half the lawn. So he should have mowed more than half the area. If he has mowed half the lawn, he should have mowed half the area. So total area is 20 into 40, which is 800 square meters. So half the lawn is 400. So he has to mow 400. Now, which means the leftover part should be 400. Now, if he takes n rounds around the park, right, the breadth will go down by 2n. So, and the width will go down by 2n. So, this area will be this is 20, this is 40 units. So, the inside triangle will be 20 minus 2n into 40 minus 2n. This will be the area of the inside strip. So the lawn that he has mowed would be 800 minus this, and that should be equal to 400. So let's try this. So 800 minus the leftover area should be equal to 400. You need to find the value of n. Let's rewrite this. So I can write this as, this will be 400. So 400 minus, this will be 800 minus right, let's try this. 800 minus 40 plus 80 is 120 plus 4n square. This is equal to 0. If I rewrite this, you will get 4n square minus 120n minus plus 400 should be equal to 0. Right. So let's calculate the value of n. If I divide by 4, this will be 30. This will be 100. So n will be 100. I cannot, 25 into 4 is this, so I cannot split directly. Let's take an irrational number, whatever it is. 30 plus minus square root of 30 square is 900, minus 4 into 100 is 400 by 2. So this is 30 plus minus 500 will be 10 root 5 by 2. So this gives you 15 plus minus 5 root 5. Now 15 plus 5 root 5 will make this an invalid number because you cannot move more than 10 times. After 10 times the entire lawn will be moved. So plus will be out. So the value of n will be when this value is negative. 15 minus 5 root 5. Now square root 5 is about 2.3, 2.2, 2.3. So 5 into 2.3 is 10.6. 11.5, right? It will be slightly more than 3.5, slightly more than 3.5. The only option left which is more than 3.5 is 3.8. It will not be 4. This value is not an actual number. So only option left is option B. A little bit of a struggle with quadratic equation, but can be solved. That finishes this question.